2009 Chevy Silverado, 4-door, 5.37 G71. I don't know why I said 7, but okay. What we got done, the usual. Stock converter there. Stock converter there. Y's into single. Then it's got a third converter. Anytime you see that third converter right there, what you want to put on it is a Super 10. You never want to put a 40 series on it, because it will be very, very quiet, almost stock. So you put a Super 10, and the nice thing about Super 10, as you guys can see, is really tiny. It's a single chambered muffler, 3-inch to 2.5 outlet. Then we put 2.25 tailpipes straight out the back. That gives it 4.5 inches of flow, right there and right there. And then we did 3.5-inch roll tips out the back, just clean, really smooth. Come out really, really nice right there. There's a Super 10. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear it in the magic of YouTube in a second. Got the nice black badge on it. They changed it out. Oh yeah, never disappoints. That's what it sounds like at idle. LT edition, Silverado 5.3 liter. Let you guys hear it on the inside. You always want to tuck them because with a truck, you don't want them sticking out. They don't look good and you can cut yourself. What they sound like.
Tell me like a Hellcat.